Hello friends. Welcome to Prod Hut channel. In today's video, let's know about the best hair conditioner for women available in the current market. Lustrous and beautiful hair is the dream of every Indian woman, and every woman wants it. Still, sometimes due to pollution, undernourishment, and hormonal issues, they end up getting dry frizzy hair. Managing dry and frizzy hair is a challenging and annoying task daily. In this video, we are going to recommend the best hair conditioner for women. With the help of a hair conditioner, we can manage dry hair and improve your hair's overall health. If you are spending hours detangling your hair every day, buying the best hair conditioner for women can be a great choice. Your hair can be frizzy and dry because of many reasons. It could be your shampoo's harsh chemicals, or maybe the water typically you use to wash your hair. Hair conditioners can repair your damaged hair, as these conditioners contain many nourishing ingredients that may help reduce frizziness and hair fall. Watch complete video to know more about the types of hair conditioners and how to select the best hair conditioner. Let's now discuss what is a hair conditioner. We often wash our hair with shampoo, and after that, we feel like our hair has loosened its natural oils and shine. Conditioner is nothing but a conditioning or moisturizing agent made with silicones, oils, and natural essences. Some of the conditioners also contain cationic surfactants to wash the persistent oil from the hair. Conditioners are helpful to keep the moisture locked in the hair and give a lustrous look to hair. This post-shampoo step is very important to prevent hair fall and give you softened hair. To use any conditioner, you need to wash your dirty hair first and then apply it according to the type and instructions written on the bottle. Many hair conditioners are available in the market. You can always select one according to your hair texture and type. Let us now discuss about the types of hair conditioner available. Hair conditioners can be divided into three common types. However, all the conditioners are generally traditional ones, which are used as post-shampoo hydrators. Conditioners can also be segmented as per the hair type like normal hair, oily hair, or dry hair. The first is deep conditioner. These hair conditioners are mostly available as hair masks that can be used on hair directly. This type of conditioner provides longer stay results and leaves your hair smooth, silky, and wavy. The second is the hybrid conditioner. Some of the deep conditioners are developed with shampoo and conditioner both. These hybrid conditioners are great to use as they moisturize your hair deeply and make them shinier. The third one is leave-in conditioner. This type of conditioner is non-washable. Once you are done shampooing your hair, you can apply this conditioner and leave it. This conditioner will nourish and protect your hair from any kind of damage. You will get healthy hair for all days. The last one is dry conditioner. Don't be surprised with the name. Yes, like dry shampoos, we have dry conditioners in the market. If you are a travel freak and have no time for a shower, use this conditioner to make your shinier and softer. This type of conditioner is developed to reduce the greasiness of your hair, even without water. Let's now jump into know how to use the hair conditioners. To apply the hair conditioners, you need to keep some water left in your washed hair. Please do not squeeze the extra amount of hair conditioner. Use it as directed. Read the bottle carefully before you start applying it. Most conditioners are not used on the roots of the hair. You need to apply them in length with your hands' help of fluid motion. Do not leave excess water in your hair, as it may diminish the conditioner's effect by diluting it. To properly moisturize your hair strand, it is essential to apply the hair conditioner correctly. In any case, avoid direct contact with the eyes and ear. It may create irritation. If it accidentally happens, please wash your eyes with plain water immediately. There are more benefits of using a hair conditioner. Few are listed below like hair conditioners can refortify the hair cuticles by nourishing them with a protective coating. This coating helps to strengthen the hair and protect it from any breakage. Because of the environmental pollutions, these cuticles are exposed to get damage. Conditioners can protect the open cuticles and repair them from restoring strength. Now let us look at the best product recommendations for your hair. The first product is TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Conditioner, 190 milliliters. Specification for this product is, it is made with essential oils. You might have a question that, for whom is this product best suited? This product is suitable for all types of hair. The second product is Wow Coconut and Avocado, all no parabens and sulfate hair conditioner, 300 ml. Specification for this product is, it is made with coconut and avocado oil. You might have a question that, for whom is this product best suited? This product is suitable for all types of hair. The second product is L'Oréal Paris 6 All Nourish Conditioner, 175 milliliters. Specification for this product is, it is made with 6 oils. You might have a question, for whom is this product best suited? This product is suitable for all hair types. Hope this video answered your expectation. Make the right choice. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more